What's up guys, it's your boy Avionics back with another tech review video. Now if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing as I do put out quite a few videos throughout the month. In today's review video, we're going to be taking a look at the Enacfire E90 Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Now you can find this directly at their website, which is enacfire.com. And once again, this is the E90 model and this costs $59.99. In this review video, we're going to be taking a look at what's all included. We're going to talk about the specs, and then I'm going to go ahead and let you know what I think of these earbuds after using them for a little over a week. Alright, so everything that comes included in the box. We have our USB charging cable. There is no USB charging brick. Just use any current brick you own or simply plug it into a computer or a laptop. It is a Type A to Type C USB charging cable. It comes with 3 interchangeable earbud tips, small, medium, and large, to best fit your ear. You have your charging dock, and you have your left and right earbud. A 2-year warranty card is also included. Also included is an instruction booklet on how to set up and pair these Enacfire E90 Bluetooth earbuds to your device. There's also more information on the battery LED indicators, and the instructions also show you how to use the touch control for play, pause, and all that good stuff for your phone and for watching movies. And that's pretty much everything that comes inside the box. So you can use these Bluetooth wireless earbuds for your phone or your tablet. You can listen to music, movies, and you can also use them for phone calls. The Enacfire E90 is an all-white design. It has a glossy finish on the charging dock and on the earbuds itself. The door of the charging dock is magnetic, so it'll keep your earbuds safe inside. On the front of the Enacfire charging dock is 4 small LED lights to let you know about battery charging and battery indication of each earbud. On the bottom you have your Type C charging port. Both earbuds are correctly marked for left and right. The design of the Enacfire E90 is a nice streamlined and ergonomically and lightweight design. The Enacfire E90 Bluetooth wireless earbuds are a Bluetooth 5.0 compatible device. The working distance between the case stock and the earbuds is 33 feet. Total playtime up to 48 hours. The E90 Bluetooth headset alone can last 8 hours with a single charge, and you can charge your earbuds about 5 or 6 times on a completely charged dock. The charging case battery has a capacity of 400 milliamp hours. Each earbud has a battery capacity of 40 milliamp hours. These are IPX8 waterproof, so you can use them while exercising without breaking a sweat, no pun intended. So after over a week of using the Enacfire E90 Bluetooth wireless earbuds, I really like the overall audio quality of these headphones. The frequencies between the highs, mids, and bass really sounds good while listening to music and watching movies. And for $60, this is a cheaper alternative to Apple AirPods, which in fact, these are compatible with both iOS and Android devices. And that's going to wrap up my review video on the Enacfire E90 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Once again, go directly to their website, enacfire.com. This is the E90 model. I will also include the link down below in the video description. Let me know what you guys think. Leave all your comments down below. Also, please, if you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And once again, please consider subscribing to my channel and ring that notifications bell to receive more notifications on review videos like this. See you guys next time.